Hey guys, so we are going to learn how to make a multiplication chart. When you take any type of test, you can always have grid paper, which we have in the classroom at all times, and you can build your own multiplication chart. For 4th and 5th grade students, this is important to know how to do it well, and how to do it quickly, because you are not able to use a calculator. However, whether it is STAR or a unit test or anything that you are doing with multiplication and division, you can always create your own multiplication chart. So I have set this one up, or printed this one out, I should say. You already automatically start with skip counting by ones across and down. And then you're going to add that row again, because 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So we're going to go ahead and skip count by ones to complete the first row. Then we would skip count by ones to go all the way down, because this first row across is your factor. This first row down is your factor, and everything in these squares is called the product. So again, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. And you complete this all the way down your first row. When you are using graph paper, you will do the same thing. You want to have one row skip counting by 1 across and one row skip counting by 1 down. I typically will shade that row for STAR tests and any type of test that you're going to take. You'll have a highlighter available to you. So I would recommend getting one so that you can shade that, and those are your factors. Our next step is skip counting by 2s across and down. So I've already got my 2, 4, 6, 8, and I continue that to the end. We shouldn't be messing up our factors like I just did, because we should be skip counting or just adding 2 to the very next, to make the very next number. Of course, I was talking, so I messed that up. Then I'm going to take those 2's and I'm going to work down the page. So I've already got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and all the way down till I complete 2 times 12. And again, there I'm talking. Then we will do the same thing with our 3's. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. This is where students start to really get confused. So just count. 19, 20, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. Then we'll take our 3's and we'll complete the chart down. 3, 6, 9 is already there. 12, 15, 18, then we can fill in our 4's across. 4, 8, 12, add 4 more, we get 16. Add 4 more, we get 20. 4 more, we get 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, and 48. Again, you can copy this same pattern going down. You want this to be correct and you want this to be accurate, but you also want to be quickly able to do it, because you don't want to spend 20 minutes working on creating this chart for a test. Most tests have time parameters. Then you have your 5s going across, 5, 10, 15, 20. And then here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then we'll go to our 6s. And again, it's skip counting by 6 or multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Add 6 more, I get 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, and 72. 36 has already been done, so I can just start at 42 and go on down. Then I go to my 7s. I add 42 to 7, or 7 to 42, and I get 49. Add 7, I get 56. Add 7, I get 63, 70, 77, and 84. 9 has already been written, so I can start with 56. Go to my 8s. 56, add 8 is 64. Add 8 is 72. Add 8 is 80, 88, 96. 64 has been written in, so I can start at 72, 80, 88, 96. My 9s, counting by 9, again, add 9 to 72, you get 81. Add 9, you get 90, 99. Add 9, you get 108. 81's already been written. Going down, 90, 99, 108. Our 10s, this is where we have learned in 4th grade this week to know how to multiply by 10 or 100. We have 1 0 and we have a 10. So we add that 0 and we get 100. Add 10 more, we get 110. Add 10 more, we get 120. Going down in our 10s, we would just start with 110 and 120. Our 11s get a little bit trickier. Students get in a hurry and they start messing these last 2 numbers up. So if I add 11 to 110, I get 121. If I add 11 to 121, I get 132. Going down, same thing, 132. Last box to complete is my 12 by 12. 12 times 12, add 12 to 132, and I get 144. Multiplication chart is complete. Quickest way to do it is filling them in down and across at the same time. Now, to use the multiplication chart, again, we are going to say that our first row is our factors. So if we shade those, they stand out and we don't mix them up. And going down, first row is our factors. So we can shade those so they don't get mixed up. Now if I need to use my multiplication chart for multiplication, let's say we're doing 7 times 6. I'm going to choose one of those digits at the top and one of those digits at the side, 7 times 6. I have chosen 42. 42 is where my fingers meet when they come down and across, and that is my product. If I'm dividing and I know that what one of my factors is, and I know what my product is, then I would say, let's say 72 divided by 8. So 72 divided by 8 is going to bring me to 9. 56 divided by 8 is going to bring me to 7. It works either way, whether you start at the top or you start at the side, as long as your fingers meet at the product. Hope this helps everyone get more efficient, and we will be practicing at least once a week in class.